In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ERR name not resolved error. So the first thing you may want to do is make sure your internet connection is working properly by restarting your router and reconnecting your network. Next, you may want to try opening the website in incognito mode. So in your keyboard, you can just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N and the incognito mode will open up. So here you can start typing and visiting your website through its URL. The next fix you may want to try is click on the three dot icon at the top right, then select delete browsing data. From here, make sure to tick the box beside cookies and other site data and cached images and files. The other settings are optional. And once done, click on delete data. Also, make sure that the date is set to all time. Another fix to do to be able to fix the error is by heading over to Start menu and open up your command prompt or CMD. And once inside, simply enter the code ipconfig, then space slash flush DNS, then press enter. And after all that, restart your browser. You can also change your DNS server, and to do that, open up the control panel, then go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Now select your Wi Fi connection, then open up Properties. Then, once inside, look for Internet Protocol version 4 and double click on it. Then next is change this to use the following DNS server addresses, and for the preferred DNS server, use 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, add 8.8.4.4. And once done, click on the OK button. Now, if the issue or error still appears, make sure to disable your VPN, proxy, antivirus, or firewall temporarily because they may block the connection. Finally, reset your Chrome settings by heading over to Settings. Then in the left panel, go to Reset Settings, then Restore Settings, and confirm by pressing the Reset Settings button once again. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you again on the next one.